what are the first things you look at when improving? So first thing I would look at, is this campaign still part of the strategy or not? And this is very applicable for brands that we are taking over to manage their ads, because what I'm noticing is most of the time ad managing companies or agencies and managers themselves, they are just going to throw all these ads in and new campaigns and let's see how it's going to work because that is my work. We don't like to waste data. A brand already has proven data for things that work and things that don't. We want to minimize whatever spend they allocate for the things that don't work within their already performing campaigns. When it comes to improving campaigns themselves, we are going to look into first try to have as much control as you can over the campaigns that are already running in the account. Talk to the brand, see what are their goals. Giving you an example, we just recently onboarded someone and they were like, hey, these are the products that I'm selling. Out of these products, I understand that most of my spend goes towards these 2-3 items. They were aware of that, okay, these are the products that I should be focusing in and I understand that. However, right now, my cheapest product is getting most of the sales and then my ACOS looks really bad. Then it was a strategic decision on refocusing on a product that is more profitable and makes more sense for them, especially since they are not limited by inventory. Based on that, we focused, okay, so which campaigns are not within the strategy? If you have multiple products or hundreds of SKUs, this is crucial to understand. First off, when it comes to improving an Amazon PPC campaign, that Amazon PPC campaign is just a small dot inside of everything what's going on within your account, right? So what is the strategy? What is the goal for the month or the quarter? Based on that goal, how are we going to work backwards in order to achieve our goal on a monthly basis, then on a weekly basis, then on a daily basis? So when it comes to improving an Amazon PPC campaign, those would be the steps that I would be taking instead of just lower your bids. And I'm saying this from the best place because when I started 5 years ago, I was the one who just, yes, you have to lower the bids and so on. And then I did very bad mistakes because then I didn't get any more impressions and so on. So really have to be careful to zoom out and prioritize what is a priority.